Alright, so today I'm going to teach you how to use the tool I used to create all these objects. Every single thing you can see on this screen was created with just that one tool. Whether it's the plates, the cups, the bowls, the vase, even the box itself was made with that one tool. And there's so much more you can do. I mean, if you even look closely, you see each object that's like a different shape. So that's to tell you that you can shape your object however you like with that tool. So let's get started. So the first thing you see when you open Nomad Sculpt is this sphere, which we do not need. So just go ahead and delete this. So we're going to go to the icon that looks like a network icon, and then just click that. Since it's selected, you can just click delete, and then it's gone. Let's put this straight. So we're going to use a tool called the Lathe tool. I hope I'm pronouncing it well. But if you look at your right panel, it's shaped like a vase. So just click on it, and then we'll use the curve. So now with this shape, you can draw it out any way you like, right? So the shape is up to you. Just play around with it, right? So if you want a vase, you can just make different ones, different shapes. Okay, you can just make different shapes. If you want to delete one of the dots, you can just click the one you want to delete and then slide it to another one and it deletes. If you want to make sharp edges, okay, let's just save this. So I need to save this as test. So if you want to make like sharp corners, sharp edges, just click on the dots or the circles once. If you want to put it back to curved, click on it again. You see. So yeah, with a bonk, I think. So what else can you do with this? Yeah, if you want to put like a hole in the center, you can just click on hole. Although the issue with this one is that it gives like a hole throughout. Okay, and let's say we do not want this. We don't want like a hole throughout. So let's say I want to make a pet plate for my cat. So okay, so let's say I want to make this, and I don't want the hole in the center, so remove that and then just bring this in, right? Let's bring this one in, so you have that hole in the center without really having to get it like completely inside. So like I said, just play around with it and you're gonna find you can do so much more. So you can use this tool to make cups. This is like a pet bowl. You can use it to make cups, you can use it to make plates, you can use it to make whatever you want to make it with. Okay, but whatever you're doing, just know like it's two sides. So what you're basically doing is shaping one side, and then it automatically like appears on the other side. So yeah, so let's say I want this. So as you know, your bowl, your bottle, whatever you created, just validate. You can still actually edit this. So on the right panel, click on gizmo, and then yeah, I mean, if you want to make this flatter, if you want to make this narrow, that's like, I don't know, maybe a cap. Yeah, so it looks like a cap, sort of. So that's what you can use this tool for like a lot of things. Okay, so let's put on view. So it's like a pet bowl. Okay, so we're basically done. And if you want to paint, just click on the right panel, you see paint, click on it, and then come to the left panel, click on the ball. And this new Nomad Sculpt version, there are actually more presets. So click on the ball again, and then you can just select among the various presets. So I'm going to use iron, and then just paint all. And my post-processing switch on. Yeah. So There you go. Just going to make this a little bit lighter. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And if you have like suggestions, questions, comments, just write them down. I am willing to answer any question that you may have. If you look at this picture, this is actually the objects that I showed you at the beginning of the video, and this is me just using these objects in like a hero section. So you can use these 3D models in like a lot of projects. You can use them in like a lot of projects basically. So anyways, as usual, enjoy your day or night whenever you decide to watch this. Bye.